Today, many modern cars have a performance of several hundred horsepower, increasing speed and tyre wear. Tyre quality has to match this demand, and so tyre mounting has become a great challenge. A high percentage of the tyre market covers tyres which are difficult to mount, such as low-profile tyres and run-flat tyre systems. Moreover, there are a large variety of wheel types, tyres with hard sidewalls, or a size of up to 26 inches, which often are quite difficult to mount in the workshop. The pneumatic mounting tool assists the operator in mounting and demounting such tyres, so there is no need for a second operator and an additional tyre lever. The pneumatic mounting tool is especially rugged and, owing to the heavy-duty cylinder, designed to handle the hardest tyres. It's a useful supplement to the tyre changer. Let's have a look how it works. The rugged, tapered centering device is positioned above the center bore of the wheel so that the wheel can be pressed pneumatically into the clamping jaws and is clamped with utmost accuracy. Once the wheel is clamped, the upper bead can be demounted using the optional plastic disc while the wheel is slowly rotated. This procedure preserves tyre and rim. The rotating roller, or the optional plastic disc, presses the upper bead down into the drop center of the rim. No effort is required from the operator's end. Now tyre bead and rim are easily accessible for lubrication prior to the subsequent demounting operation. So that the mounting head can be positioned on the rim simply and gently, the tyre bead is pressed down into the drop center of the rim with the roller. This creates the clearance necessary to position the mounting head without any problem. After the mounting head has been positioned, the tyre lever is inserted into the gap between rim and tyre bead in order to demount the upper bead. To demount the upper bead, the bead part opposite the mounting head must be pressed down into the drop center of the rim. This is an easy job for the pneumatic mounting tool. The bead holding device retains the bead in the drop center of the rim so that no effort is needed to lever the bead over the mounting nose of the mounting head and to complete the demounting operation. Even if utmost care is applied, it often happens that the lower bead slips back over the hump. This is another moment where the pneumatic mounting tool with its specially designed lifting device is a great help. The pneumatically controlled lifting device is applied on the lower bead, gently pushing it into the drop center of the rim so that it can be finally demounted. Alternatively, it is possible to lift the upper bead with the roller and to demount the tyre without using the tyre lever. This will also preserve both tyre and rim. It is quite an easy and quick job to mount the lower bead. For the upper bead, though, the pneumatic mounting tool is a useful professional aid. The roller retains the bead under the mounting nose of the mounting head. The useful bead holding device follows rotation of the wheel, doing the otherwise tedious job of the operator without any risk of damage to the tyre or rim. Especially when mounting run-flat tyre systems and low-profile tyres with hard sidewalls, it may prove useful to press the bead into the drop centre of the rim in several positions, so that it will not be damaged. This is the job for the magic bead pusher. It is added to the bead holding device of the pneumatic mounting tool, pressing the bead into the drop centre in 4 additional positions, which helps to preserve tyre and rim. For the demounting operation too, the magic bead pusher is a useful tool. In cases where the bead holding device of the pneumatic mounting tool is not sufficient, it helps to retain the bead in the drop centre opposite the mounting head. Another mounting aid is the additional roller, which retains the bead in the drop centre in the 3 o'clock position. This additional roller is positioned together with the standard roller and the bead holding device. As an alternative to the magic bead pusher, the bead clamp can be used to press the bead into the drop centre in another position. The optional PAX adapter is fitted easily and quickly, supporting the pneumatic mounting tool when it comes to handling PAX tyres.